Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a love reading and we'll see what is the situation and how are you going to deal with the situation in whichever love situation you are in. Alright, so I'll be looking at all your and their side plus the blockages between you and the actions which you are going to take as well as them and the final outcome. All right, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so what is there for my Librans? What is there? Last shuffle, please. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for that. It's really late at night, so okay. Last shuffle. Knight of Pentacles wanted to come out, so the energy is slow. I really feel that. I don't know why, but it's coming up again and again. Okay, so let's see now what is there for my Librans. What is at the back of the deck? Your and their energy. 5 of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles. All right, so there is someone who is feeling very alone over here. You know, there is a separation. You know, this whomsoever you are dealing with, you are not talking to each other, waiting for the message or call. No contact. Might be a Taurus with whom you are dealing with. Let's see what is there. All right, so what are you feeling about them? How do you see them as the 6 of Pentacles? You see them as very generous, as very loyal, and the ones who really know how to talk plus know how to love, and really very very good at heart, and really talk really humbly with people, something like that. A really good person at heart. That is how you look at them, but we will clarify what else is there in this thing. How they see you as the Ace of Rods. They see you as someone who is very passionate, who has the zeal to do something creative, and who is very much has everything in their hand, and every time ready to explore something new. Okay, so let's see what is the 6 of Pentacles in your side. Why is this the 6 of Pentacles over here with the 4 of Wands and the King of Pentacles? So you look them as the person whom you can get married to, because you really feel that this person is really stable, calm, generous, and really mature enough, from mind, because this person might be rich as well, but you really feel that this person has a lot of love to give, a lot of love to offer you. This is how you feel, how they make you feel, because this is a marriage card. This person makes you so happy. You might be married with this person as well. So what is the blockage then? Ace of Rods from their side. Let's see how they see you. Why is the Ace of Rods here? What is the reason of Ace of Rods? Okay, Knight of Cups and the 3 of Wands over here. They see you as the 3 of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Wands and the Knight of Cups. I really feel that it's like they're waiting for you they are waiting for you to come and talk to them. It's more of that energy over here. Like you will go come, you will offer them that let's be together, let's be together. That is the thing which I'm getting, that is the energy I'm getting. They see you as a very loving person though, you know, with the Knight of Cups. They see you that you have, you know how to love. They know that, they have seen that kind of care, that kind of love which you have given, that kind of lovey-dovey messages which you have sent them, you know. And they are waiting for more to come from your side, because they know that you are very passionate. You know how to love, you know how to give love. So what is the blockage? The blockage is the Seven of Cups. It might be for some of you, you know, it's not the love after all. At the end, there are so many things in your life that you have to deal with. Your daily tantrums are there, your hustles and bustles of your life, your chaotic life basically. That is the problem in your love life over here. You are dealing with your issues, you are dealing with your career, you are dealing with your family. There are many things, you know, you have to pay your bills, you might not be having a good job. It's not about love only at the end, they know that. And the same thing with them, they have their business, they have their job, not getting a promotion, you know, because of this COVID thing. Lot of people are actually they are just told to resign, and that's an issue. So love is not only the main thing in both of your lives. So that is the blockage, you know. Your time, you cannot just balance your time for this person. Let's see, why is the Seven of Cups over here? The Chariot. See, you have to move on. You cannot just stay for one person, you cannot just talk to one person the whole day. You have to keep moving, because the life is fast, the world is moving, and it's really running. Like in Mumbai as well, you know how fast life they have in Mumbai. So it's like you're just loving, you're just running, and there are many things you have to deal with. That is the problem over here. What else? The World. See, this world is full of daily tantrums. That is what is the issue. So what actions are you going to take is the Four of Wands. Are you going to propose this person for marriage? Because Four of Wands have come twice over here. So we will see what is this Four of Wands over here. The Hierophant. Oh my god, yes, you're going to propose, I guess. At least you are going to talk. That is it really a connection? What I'm feeling, are you also feeling the same thing for both of us? At least, if not proposing, at least a talk of a very like mature people talk. That is something I'm seeing. What else? The Lovers. What is happening? What is happening, Libra? What is this? You really want to talk to this person, you want to love this person more. Yes, you have that thing in you. Okay, and what are they going to do? They're also going to communicate with you. I mean, like when you will talk, they will also come, and they will also like, okay, let's talk. If you want to talk, let's talk. Let's see. Queen of Wands. So she might be dealing with a Leo, but it's like this person is very much on their own place right now. It's more like I have to deal with a lot of things. I have my work, I have to become the queen of this world. I don't know why I'm getting that vibes from this person, because this person, you know, when love comes, love is there, but you know, this person is really career oriented. I don't know why I'm getting that thing, but this person has some things in, you know, in their life. They have some things in their life, whosoever you are dealing with. They are really not in a state. They will talk to you, they will communicate, because they also want reconciliation. But other than that, it's a long way to go, they know that, and they have something else in their mind. They have to just, not just love issue, there are many issues in which they have to become victorious, they have to become successful. Let's see what else do we have for, oh my god, okay. The Sun, King of Swords, and Two of Cups. They also want the same thing. They want to reconcile. And with the Sun, yes, it's a yes from their side as well. But with this King of Swords, they are really going to talk. Whatever you both are going to talk, it will be really a mature talk between you both. It's like, it's not just like a lovey-dovey situation every time. It's like, okay, you are happy wherever you are doing your work, I'm doing my work, and there should not be any disturbances, there should not be any distractions in between your work and my work. This person is going to be very practical. Whatever you are going to talk to this person, this person is going to be very practical, very passionate, very much career oriented. Might be because of no contact from a long time, so this person might have become like this. And final outcome is the Star, so it is a reconciliation, so yay. And let's see what is this Star about. What else do we have for the Star? Three of Cups. See, reconciliation, all the cards of reconciliation. Yes, you are going to just, let's have some drinks please. That is what you are going to do. You are going to enjoy. You're enjoying with this person. It's like a wish coming true. You have hoped for this meeting, or this, having fun with each other. Alright, so that's all Libras from my side, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.